Hey everyone, it's Walker at Full Spectrum Laser, and a happy Friday to you. We're watching In the Cut right now, where we just kind of watch the laser do its thing, and today we're watching it do its thing on some multiple pieces of paper. Let's bring up that file. So, one of the benefits of RE3 is that you can take a picture with the camera of the workspace. So we have 20 by 12 work area on the Muse, and we took a picture of 3 different pieces of paper, and we dragged 3 different files in today. And we're just going to cut them all out, and this is just to make it a lot faster and easier, and that is a huge benefit of RE3. So let's start the project. Now you'll notice the 3 different pieces of paper and the 3 different files are separated, and that's because the pumpkin file is on the yellow and the skeleton file's on the white, and then the bats are going to be on the black. Those are 3 separate files, and it's going to run all the pumpkins at once, all the skulls at once, and all the bats at once. If I wanted to, I could have grouped those all together in RE3 and ran the same job all at once. Now, if we ran the job all at once after we grouped those 3 different files together, the laser would just pick the next segment to go. So if you've ever realized or noticed or questioned why the laser goes to the next piece, that's because the laser, when you run the job all at once, just picks the closest vector cut to get the job done the quickest. also remember when creating vector files that the laser is always going to cut the inside cuts out first. So on a pumpkin, or something like a pumpkin, it's always going to cut the eyes and the mouth out first and then the outside. So if you have a file that you don't want to cut those insides first, you can always change the different vector files to different colors and select those to go in order after actually the actual outside cut. And always remember when cutting delicate materials to lower your power settings and dial in that current that's going to give you the best edge for all those materials like fabric, paper, and even some leathers. And there you have it, embellishments that would make any scrapbooker proud. So, if you have any Halloween projects, please share it with us. You could win the weekly contest and get a free lens or $250 off your next purchase. And if you didn't see this week's project, This project is free on our projects page, along with tons of other free projects. We almost have 100 now, and we're gonna punch out a lot for Halloween. So check those out, and until next time, keep making.